In this video, you will see how to type brackets in HP laptop, square bracket, curly bracket and round bracket. It's very easy. Look at your HP laptop keyboard. The round brackets are available here, number 9 and 0. However, if you press them, you will get 9 and 0 instead of round bracket because the round brackets are secondary keys, and to type them you will need to press and hold the shift key and then press 9 and 0. So shift 9 shift 0, and the square brackets are available here just above the enter key, so you just have to press them and you will get the square brackets. However, for the curly brackets, you will need to press and hold the shift button and then press the curly bracket buttons because those buttons are secondary. So just press and hold the shift button and then press the curly bracket buttons on your HP laptop keyboard. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about HP laptop keyboard. See you again in the next one.